Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. 4K dash cam, 70mm dash cam A800S 4K UHD cinema quality image built-in GPS for speed and coordinates tracking advanced driver assistance systems. The A800S uses 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses with f1.8 aperture and Sony IMX415 sensor. The A800S pushes the limits of image quality with industry's highest resolution standard up to 4K ultra-high definition of 3840x2160p, delivering incredibly clear frames when you are on a road trip. Car charger Type-C, dual ports fast charging. If using 2 ports simultaneously, total output 5 volts 4.8 amperes, 24 watts maximum PD 20W fast charging for iPhone 13. Use Ugreen M5 USB-C to Lightning cable is better. Car trash bin, press down bullet cover design, gently press with finger to open. No need to touch the trash or trash bags. As long as the cover is closed, no odor will leak out. It adopts anionic oxidation and CNC numerical control processing technology. Universal Torx Wrench, multi-purpose wrench, anti-rust and wear-resistant, smooth and non-skid, overall polishing, chrome plating preservative, comfortable grip. Car Rearview Mirror, multi-level strength and protection, adopted upgrade nano 3D coating technology, good partner in rainy day. Recommend to purchase 2 sets to use, compatible for various vehicle models. It fits for 99% kinds of rear view mirrors. Touchscreen car stereo. No need to disassemble the car. You can install and use the windshield by yourself. The glass suction cup can be hung upside down, and it can also be installed vertically. High power and speed performance. Android Auto Intelligent System 5G and Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz. Extremely fast performance gives you advanced enjoyment. Light screen bit and wireless video mirroring function. Through Wi-Fi, place the mobile phone screen wirelessly. Car Air Freshener, convenient to use and move. It can replace the air outlet paddle. Natural fragrance, comfortable travel, safe for the pregnant and babies. No blockage to your view. No blockage for the air outlet. Digital Coating Thickness Gauge. The UT343D Coating Thickness Gauge is a high-performance composite coating thickness gauge with integrated iron matrix and non-ferrous matrix measurements. The product has the characteristics of high precision, stable and reliable performance, no damage measurement, and also has the functions of single-point, multi-point averaging algorithm, and rapid judgment of industrial products. The products are based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Car Wax Scratch Repair. Material: slop wax. Foam dimensions: 7 cm * x 3 cm x 1.5 cm. Ingredients: abrasive materials, surface active agent, filling agent. Scope of application: automotive paint removal, side of mild scratches. Usage: for car scratching paint care. Car Vacuum Cleaner. The powerful suction of 8,000 pascals is suitable for cleaning cars, homes and offices. The pure copper motor is not easy to rust, and the suction power can reach 8,000 Pa. The upgraded battery capacity is larger and safer. Car Air Travel Mattress. The Air mattress comes with a cloth bag to store. It is small and lightweight after store, easy to carry. Spread the air cushion, open the air nozzle. It will automatically inflate. Just manually inflate the pillow and wings. The cushion provides you with quality sleep every time you travel. Using polyester pongee fabric, an environmentally friendly material, the sleeping mat is smooth and surface, wear resistant and easy to wash, waterproof and breathable. Car Neck Headrest Pillow. The main design of the car seat pillow is to provide passengers with head and neck support when they fall asleep, thereby providing a more comfortable siesta time. The side pillows of the headrest are filled with a soft and thick memory foam pad, which is sufficient as a cushion. The pillowcase is made of leather and is easy to clean. Fits most cars with a headrest. If you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.